guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be my Boxycharm premium for the month of February, and this is or I guess the theme is adore. So all the products that I got, I used them all on my face, so I'm gonna go through them and kind of give you guys like my thoughts. The first thing that I got was a flat iron, actually, and this retails for $79.99. It's from Sutra. I don't know if I'm saying that right. My hair is still kind of damp, so I wasn't able to use it in this video, but I'm assuming it just works like a regular flat iron. But it is blue, and it's super nice. It has like the logo on it and everything, so I think it's super cute. So when I do try this out, I will let you guys know how I like it, if it worked for me and all that. Next thing was the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Ultra Fine Mist, and then this retails for $28. Guys, this smells like watermelon. This smells so good. Like, I want to eat it. It smells so good. The mist is super fine. It's super fine. I like this a lot. Their watermelon stuff is very good from Glow Recipe. I love this thing. It's awesome. Next thing I got was the Hourglass Ambient Lighting Blush. This retails for $40. The shade that I got was Diffused Heat, and this is what it looks like. I've never had a Hourglass product before, but this is super pretty. I like it a lot. I don't know if you guys can kind of see because of the lighting, but I do really like this a lot. And then the next thing I got was the Fika Skincare 24 karat gold foil moisturizer. This is so crazy to me that this retails for $100. Like, that's super crazy. You guys can see like the little gold flecks in it and everything. It's kind of a little messy at the top, so just be aware, like, if you do get it, it is going to be a little bit messy. I feel like it's really thick and really, like, I don't know. It's a really thick moisturizer though, but it was really nice when I put it on my face. So, and then I did get the Tarte Cosmetics Double Duty Beauty Base Tape Hydrating Primer, and this retails for $30. So it looks like this, and then it says double duty, and then it does come with a pump. But I didn't use this one. I used my little sample that I have of it. I think I got this like in an Ipsy like a while back, like in the Ipsies, when before they had the 3 different sizes. Before it was just like a little one for $10. This is where I got this from. So when I saw it, I was like, let's just try out the little one, and then we'll save the big one for later. This does smell like coconut, and it smells really good. So if you like anything that's coconut scented in your like facial stuff, I recommend this a lot because it smells like coconut. And then the last thing that I got, which I'll insert a picture here somewhere on the side, was the Core's Body Butter, and that retails for $32. And I got the scent lavender. I don't like anything lavender. I don't like candles, bath bombs, anything that's like lavender scented. It's like not for me. I won't use it. I don't like it. So I give it to my mom. It would have been a different scent, then I would have used it, but unfortunately it wasn't. So, but yeah, guys. So my total value for the whole box was $309.99. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to click the little bell so you guys will be notified every single time I upload. And without further ado, let's just go ahead and get on to the demo.